Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the all-new 2021 Ford Bronco Sport in a Badlands trim and powered by a 2-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency with 4-wheel drive capability, so you're going to be able to get around pretty well. But let's take a look inside. So first, looking at the back, we have a pretty spacious cargo area, which can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats, of course. And you have a rugged cargo mat here, and underneath is your full-size spare with some compartments around it for tools or equipment, as well as having a 110-volt power outlet, 12-volt, and a bunch of hooks around, including your articulating cargo lights, so you can light up an area around you, your camp, whatever. And then you do also have a separately opening glass hatch for ease of access to your stuff. And then looking at the back seat, where you have seating for 3 comfortably with fold-out armrests with 2 cup holders, 110-volt power outlet down there in the middle, and the backs of the 2 front seats also have some zipper pouches with strapping, so you can attach bags or equipment to that. And this vehicle does also have a remote start, so no need to go outside unless cold mornings to warm up your car. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. And now sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your trip 1 and 2 information, tire pressures, your radio station, your fuel economy. You can also exit out of that or go into your service information, as well as your audio, navigation, and phone controls, as well as settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Moving on to the left side, where you have your cruise controls with adaptive cruise control, so it'll allow you to set the distance of vehicles ahead of you. And then you have your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom, and your lane keeping system on the end of the signal stalk. Then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio series and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, your navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch view, so you can have an easier time hooking up a trailer. Then moving down from that, you have your media controls, as well as your auto start stop shut off, your hazards, and your front camera view, because this vehicle does have a front and rear camera. And then below that, you have a little cubby here for your devices. Then your climate controls here with heated front seats, so you can stay cozy in the colder months. Down here, you have a little area with a USB, USB-C, and 12-volt power outlet, so you can plug something into power charge from there. And now you have your main shifter here on a dial. Do also have paddle shifters on the wheel, so you can manually shift through your gears. Then you have your parking brake, your brake hold, and a bunch of 4 more off-road designated features here, such as your trail control, which is a sort of cruise control for your for a more off-road setting, your 4-wheel drive lock, your locking rear differential, and your traction control shut-off, as well as your GOAT modes, which I believe is goes over any terrain, is what that's supposed to stand for. So you have normal, eco, sport, and slippery, and then on the other end you have mud ruts, sand, and rock crawl mode. So this is the Badlands trim, meaning it comes with some more off-roading capable oriented features. Of course, 2 cup holders here, if I didn't mention that already, and then your center compartment / armrest with which is very spacious inside, with a USB and USB-C. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now, if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.